Hi guys, so I have a message here to you guys on YouTube. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a month. So my channel name used to be Reindeer83, but now it's Nathan P because that's my real name. Nathan is my real name and P stands for Pluck Rose. So today I'll be showing you how to make a Lego fidget spinner. Now on YouTube, they've been very popular, and so today I'll show you how to make one. So you'll need a rod, a black rod or whatever colour rod, with the plus sign, and a body with the holes in, because if it has the holes it can spin more faster and longer. And 2 cylinder bricks with the plus sign also in there. Now let's get into building. So you'll get the body and inside put the black rod in, and then get 1 cylinder and put it onto the rod like that, and then get the other cylinder and do that to the same on the other side. Now we're done with it, but also make sure it's loose like that, and if it's loose it can spin. If it's very stiff, so this is when it's very stiff, you can tell by that, and look, when it's stiff it won't spin properly, so you'll have to loosen it like that. It's from there it's loosened, and so there, you're done. Now have a nice day spinning your new fidget spinner you've just made, and I'll see you in the next video.